Hi everyone, welcome to the Marty Sites YouTube channel. In this video today I'm going to be showing you how to use the platform to build a website for your meal delivery service. Now if you've just stumbled across this video randomly and you're unfamiliar with Marty Sites is the easiest way to launch a one-page website for your small business. It's really affordable, it's only going to cost you $9 a month and there is a free trial available for 7 days. So click on the link below this video, sign up for the free trial and give it a go. Awesome. So once you've joined the platform, it's going to go ahead and ask you to search for your market over here. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from for different small businesses, solopreneurs, and people with side hustles. Let's head to the top and search for our market, meal delivery. And there it is. I'm now going to select that template. Now Multisites is going to ask us a few basic details about our meal delivery service so it can work its magic and generate a one-page website for us. So I'm going to call this Rochelle's Tasty Meals. I'm now going to put in my city and my region. It doesn't matter where in the world you're located, you can use the multi-site service. We have happy customers from all around the globe. Let's go ahead and change the type of business to a service and click on continue. And there you have it. Multi-sites has literally generated a one-page website for me. Let's take a closer look. Now, the beauty of multi-sites is we've pre-written all the content for you. We've pre-selected all the images. Look how amazing that looks, very high quality. And all the images are completely free to use. They're license free, you don't need to worry. However, if you've got your own images of your delicious meals and you want to make a few amendments to the content that's pre-written, you can absolutely do that. It's super simple. You don't need to know any coding, you don't need to be a web developer, and you don't need to hire a web developer. So I'm going to walk you through the process from the top to the bottom and just show you a little bit of a look and feel of how the service works, how easy it is to use. You don't need to be that super tech savvy either. So I'm going to head to update section at the top, and over here I'm going to pop in my email address. I'm now going to click on show email on site so it's displayed in the top right hand corner. Phone number, let's put that in. Great, this is click to call, so customers can easily get in touch with you. Address, if you have a physical location, let's put that in, and the postal code. Now, if you do have a physical location, your customers can click on this address and be taken directly to Google Maps to get directions. Let's click on save and head to update social links. Over here, I'm going to put in my Instagram page and my Twitter page. Feel free to give Mindy Sites a follow and let us know how you are enjoying the service. There is an option for LinkedIn, YouTube, and Facebook as well. Let's save that and move along. I'm now going to head to update section and head to update logo. Now, if you don't have a logo yet, that's completely okay. It will just display your name and it still looks really great. However, if you do have a logo, go ahead and browse from your device and let's upload it. There we go. If you don't have a logo and you don't have a huge budget to hire a web developer or graphic designer, go ahead and check out the canva.com website. There are a few great options on there that are free to use. I'm going to make it slightly bigger. You can customize it over here by making it bigger or smaller, and that's the perfect sizing for me. So I'm going to save it and move along, close the section. Now, perhaps the colors used throughout the meal delivery templates is like, I guess you could call it like a royal blue, just doesn't work for your branding. It doesn't match your logo. It doesn't match your business cards or the packaging of your products. That's okay. You can change the colors and you don't have to know any color coding. That's not necessary. All you need to do is click on the paint bucket over here and go through the various different color options available. So I'm going to check what this one's like. Let me have a look and just see which one works for me. I think I'm going to actually just go with a gray for this one. It's pretty neutral. Save it and look at that. It's now been used throughout my Marcy Sites page. Awesome. On to the next section. Let's keep going. Um, Over here, again, pre-written content, images pre-selected. They are royalty free. Head to update section and update the image if you want to change it. Browse from your device and upload one. Otherwise, search to the photo library. There are hundreds to choose from and they are all royalty free as I said. But you can play around with the terms. So I'm just going to put microwave meal for this because maybe my meals are like heatable. So I'm just going to see what pops up, if there's any meals or specific ones that are do make. Let's see. I'm just having a look at what is a great option. Okay, one of the things I offer is mac and cheese. So let's see for that and search what comes up. Look at that. Okay, I'm probably going to select one of these. I think this one looks absolutely amazing, so I'm going to select that one. Let's take a look. That looks absolutely amazing. Very, very, very happy with that. Looks great. Very high quality picture. Let's hit to update content. Over here, change the title and subtitles to suit your needs. Over here, perhaps you don't want your button that is displayed over here to say schedule meal delivery. Maybe you want it to say get in touch. So I'm going to go ahead to choose link, and I want people to actually link to the lead form at the bottom, which I'm going to get to in just a sec. But you can link to another website or an action like click to call, directions, or a PDF file is another great option. So perhaps you can put all your meals together in a PDF file with some really attractive images and upload it there. So when your customers click on that button, it will directly take them to the PDF file. Let's click confirm, save content, and move along. Awesome. So again, over here, pre-written content button can link to various places. If you want to change anything, head to update section over here. Onto the next section about us. This meal looks absolutely amazing. It looks delicious and it's very high quality, so I'm actually leaving it as is. But over here, I put in a little bit more details of how you got started in the industry, how long you've been serving the community with tasty meals. Do you have any chef background? Who's preparing the meals? Do you focus on nutrition, wholesome meals? Put all the details here. Your customers would love to hear your story. Onto the next section again, another spot here for a high quality image. Go ahead and update the section, or choose one from the photo library or upload one of your own. This picture looks absolutely amazing, very, very high quality. Food looks delicious to say the least. So I'm leaving it as is and I'm moving along. Now we've made our way into the services section, and again, I think this picture is really, really suitable, so I'm actually leaving it as is. But over here, pop in a little bit more details of the different services you offer, who you cater to. Do you offer like vegetarian and vegan options? Do you offer gluten-free and low-carb meals, family meals, entertaining options? Put all of the details over here. Make it as easy as possible for your customers to get more information on you. After all, this is your marketing message 365 days a year. Awesome. We've now made our way into the lead form at the bottom of our Mighty Sites page. Over here is where your customers can reach out to you and get in touch. All they need to do is pop their details in here, their message, and click send. Now, when they've clicked send and submitted the message, you will get notified via email. You'll also find all the messages in your site dashboard, which I'm going to take you to in just a second. Let's just take one last look at our Mighty Sites page for our meal delivery service. It looks absolutely stunning. I'm very happy with it. I didn't need to know any coding. I didn't need to hire a web developer. It was such a breeze to actually go through. It's absolutely amazing. Remember, the service is only $9 a month, and there is that free trial available for 7 days. So sign up for that free trial. See how easy it is to use. I'm now going to head to the top and click on Stop Editing, Site Dashboard, and over here is where you can find all the leads from that form I've just shown you on the previous page. If you have a custom domain, go ahead and connect it here. If you're struggling, there is a YouTube tutorial available on that, as well as a blog post on our website, www.mightysites.com. Great. Well, I hope this tutorial is helpful in building a website on the Mighty Sites platform for your meal delivery service. I'm really wishing you and your business mighty success. And if you have any suggestions, any features you'd like to see in future on the Mighty Sites platform, do comment below and let us know. We'd love to hear your feedback. And don't forget the thumbs up for this video.